The other thing is when you're doing too many inquiries. A lot of times, big pitfall is car shopping. You go to a car dealer, they'll say, all right, fill out this credit application. When they fill out that credit application, and mortgage brokers will do this too, they send that out to everybody in their network. Now, instead of one inquiry that you thought you were going to have, you could have 15, 20, doesn't matter. Each one of those is an inquiry and a ding to your credit. That can affect your credit score. Your credit score could go down 20 points just by having one application. Then they don't give it to you, so now you want to go from Ford to Chevy, and this one pulls it, that one pulls it. Now he's sending it to another 15. So by the time you're done car shopping, you just pulled your credit 50 times. Same with a mortgage. So that's a very big one. I found that one out the hard way. And that's one to watch for. Good things to do with that is, if you know your credit, you know that you can go into the dealer, you pull your credit before you do any type of financing. You go on there and you pull your credit. You say, all right, well, this is where I'm at. I know what my credit score is. I know that I can get this rate with X. Or you go to the financial institution. Like SB1, you can apply for a loan. Now, you've already been approved. You know what your rate is. You know what your payment is. These are great things that can help you plan. But watch how many people are pulling your credit. So if they do an increase, sometimes a credit card company will say, we've increased your credit. You think, oh, that must be good. It's not always good. Because now, on your credit report, your available credit, the money you're available to be in debt for, has risen. Not always a bad thing, it's not always a good thing. You just have to monitor and pay attention to it, because now, if you went from a $1,000 credit to a $2,000 credit, somebody might look at that. If you're applying for a loan, a bank might say, well, your debt to income or exposure is too high, because now I could give you a loan, but now I know you have this unsecured credit out there that you could tap into at any time. So those things can affect it as well.